Motya, this essay is to be passed tomorrow. I expect a lot from you. Make sure it's flawless. Anak, kailangan mo itaas ang imo mga grado. Malapit ng imo college application.
Kutya's so perfect. It's like she doesn't even have flaws.
Yeah, I feel like she doesn't even know what stress is.
Hoy, ano na si Miss Gonzales?
Good afternoon, class. Magsiupo kayong lahat.
Thank you and goodbye, Ina Gonzales.
I didn't expect the top of my class to be sleeping during my discussion.
Sorry, Ginong Gonzales.
Hoy, okay ka lang ba? Parang kanina ka pa nakatulala ah.
Okay lang ako. Pagod lang to.
Pagod? Parang hindi ka naman mapapagod eh. Mukha ka nga superhero or something. But seriously, if you need some break, nandito lang ako always for you. Yeah, I get it. You're always doing so much. But you don't have to be perfect at all the time. Kasama mo ako dito eh.
Thanks, Sam. Marami lang talaga akong ginagawa ngayon eh.
Yeah, I get it. You always have so much on your plate. I'm always here for you.
Ano ba? Kadiri? Nakakasuka talaga ang mangmangmang at pulubi na katulad mo.
Pinsan ang bigado.
Ginang, tigilan mo yan! Hindi niyo po dapat bastasin ang isang tao ng ganyan. Kung lubi man siya o hindi, dapat nire-respeto niyo siya.
At ikaw, Mutya, pinagtatanggol mo ba ang isang hampas lupa? Wala kang alam sa mundo. Bata ka pa.
Mas marami pa pong alam ang pulubi kaysa sa tingin niyo sa sarili niyo.
Walang patutunguhan ang kabaitan mo, Mutya.
Huy! Ano yan? A secret admirer? I knew it. Who is it from? Someone finally noticed Miss Perfect.
I don't know, Sam. It's weird. I just found it under my desk.
Weird man. It's more like mysterious kaya. Dasiga, Brihanna. Bet it's some sweet love letter.
I don't know. It's strange. Sino man gid mong hatag sa konsang amo ni?
I get it. Nahihiya ka siguro basahin sa harapan ko, no? Maybe it's someone who's too shy to show themselves.
Mutya, I've been watching you for so long, but I've never dared to say it before. I admire you more than you'll ever know. The way you smile, the way you play the piano, everything about you captivates me. I know you don't see me, but I'm always here, thinking of you. I can't keep it anymore. I love you, Mutya. I just had to tell you.
A love confession, ha? Sino na?
I don't even know who could it be.
I am what, ah? You have a secret admirer and you won't even spill what's written in that paper? If it turns out to be someone cute, you better tell me everything.
Late again.
Yeah, sorry, Dad. Mayong gabi.
I keep telling you, Mutya, you can't keep putting things off. You need to focus on your studies. This isn't the time to slack off.
I'm not slacking off, Dad. I'm just really busy.
Busy? Permi mo na lang na ginahambal. If you're really putting in the effort, then why is your grade slipping? You're distracted, Mutya. Focus.
I am trying, but it's not just school. I can't do everything at once.
Life doesn't stop just because you're overwhelmed. You want a good future, right? Then you need to put in the work.
I know that, but sometimes I feel like it's never enough. I try and it's still not enough for you.
I don't want to hear excuses, Mutya. I've been telling you this for years. Stop making everything harder than it is. You think I don't see what you're doing? I work hard every single day just to give you a better life. And this is how you repay me? By talking back.
I'm not making excuses, Dad. I'm just telling you how I feel. I'm doing my best, but nothing I do is ever good enough.
Best? This isn't your best, Mutya. You're disrespecting me by talking back like this. You've got it easy compared to me. You don't know what it means to work hard.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to disrespect you, but I am trying, Dad.
Trying doesn't matter if you don't show results. If you can't handle the pressure, then maybe you don't belong in all of this.
I'm not giving up, Dad. I'm not, but it's so hard.
Anong ginagawa nyo? Bakit nyo kinakausap yung pulubi? Baka magdungisan kayo.
There's nothing wrong with helping someone in need, Mom.
Don't be fooled. These people have no future. They can't be helped nor saved.
That's not true, Mom. Every person has worth. True education isn't just learning inside the classroom, it's also showing compassion to others.
Bala ka da. Hindi mo ni maintindihan.
Uy, Mutya, teka. Pwede ba kita ngayain mabas?
Sorry, Jose. Busy ako ngayon.
Teka lang.
Diyos ko, Jose. 7 taon na. Hindi ka ba napapagod?
Kung sa'yo, Mutya, hindi. Pero kung wala na, Gid, hindi ko pag-ipasa, may chance ako. Kung hindi mo ko palangga, yamba sa tsura ko.
Yes, I'm sorry. Hindi ta ka gusto.
I will wait for you, Mutya.
Oh, ikaw pala, Miss Mutya. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Crisanto.
Can I take you out on the
Yes!
Yes?
Oo.
So 4 p.m. tomorrow after school.
4 p.m. tomorrow after school. Got it. See you tomorrow, ha?
See you, Mutya. Bye-bye.
Someone told me that you went out with Crisanto again. What did I tell you, Mutya?
I'm sorry.
At saan naman mapupunta yung sorry mo? You think that would change the fact that everyone saw you hanging out with that poor boy?
He's not just a boy, pa.
Don't be naive, Mutya. Kabalo ka nga ginabawalan kita magupod sa Crisanto nga ina. Hindi mo ginamobra?
Pa!
Naluyag ka
Oo,
siya.
pa! Kung tutusin nga halos hindi mo nakupugoon. Kapoy na ako sa kinabuhi nga halos perme na lang perfect. For once, pa, have you ever thought about how I felt?
Anak,
Why, pa? Mama wasn't perfect, pero gipalangga mo siya Japon. Why can't you love me like how you loved Mama and her flaws? Why do I always have to act perfect and strong all the time?
because I'm trying to protect you. I don't want you to end up like your mother, anak. I don't want you to make the same stupid mistakes we did when we were young and naive. We were so in love that we acted like complete fools.
Pa, I'm sorry. Wala ko kabalo mo nagiligin agyan yun ni Mama.
Sige na. Tahan na, anak. I need to talk to Crisanto.
Tito, andyan po ba si Mutya?
Layuan mo yung anak ko. I know that your father is just a street vendor. Nagtitinda lang yan ng taho sa kalsada. Hindi ikaw ang bagay para sa anak ko. You think you can change her world? You can't even give her the life she deserves. She's my daughter, and I'm the one who decides what's best for her.
Oh, kapatid. It's been a long time since I last heard your voice. My little brother.
Kuya, I need your help.
Kapag si Mutya naman.
Yes, it's about Mutya. I love my daughter and I want to give her the world, and marrying that man isn't going to be the best for her.
Andres, alam mo naman na hindi siya magiging masaya sa decision mo.
And what? Will it make her happier if she's going to live a poor life if she marries that man?
No, that's not what I meant.
I don't know what to do. She's so young, it's like she's not even listening to me anymore.
Exactly. Hindi yan makikinig sa'yo.
Then ano pa ba ang magagawa ko upang mapalayo ang lalaking iyan sa aking anak?
Matalinong batang yan. Sigurado akong malalaman niya kapag may plano tayo. Pero ang alam ko, si Crisanto ay may malaking pangarap para sa kanyang kinabukasan. Pero, sa aking nalalaman, ang pangarap niya ay mag-aral sa abroad. Doon niya gusto mag-aral.
Totoo ba? Posible bang malayo ang lalaking yan sa akin anak?
Oo.
Saan mo narinig ang ganitong impormasyon?
Galing sa kanilang guro na si Ginang Gonzales.
Sige, as soon as possible. Ngayon na.
I will pay the school that he applied to for his college application.
Maasahan talaga kita, kuya. Maraming salamat.
Walang anuman. O siya, alis na ako. May pupuntahan pa ako mamaya.
Sige, bye, kuya.
Hey, Mucha, you okay? You seem a bit off today, especially with the dad and all the talk with Crisanto.
I'm alright, Sam. Just a lot to think about, you know. Papa's been on my case lately. I don't know what to think anymore.
Oh, don't tell me you're thinking of your dad's advice. He's been so controlling and you deserve to be happy.
It's not that easy, Sam. I mean, Papa, he just wants what's best for me. He's been so worried about me making the wrong choices.
Well, sometimes the right choice is the ones that make you happy, right? But hey, won't pressure you. You do you.
I know, I just feel so torn. I don't know what to think anymore.
But whatever happens, I'm always right here for you.
Thanks, Sam. I appreciate it. Pula na na.
Hey, Mutya. Can I tell you something?
Hey, Mucha. Remember what Nico said last night? Don't do this.
Sam, please just give us a moment. We need to talk.
Okay, but don't take too long.
Hey, Mutya. Do you remember the university that I applied to? I got in. I got accepted to Flight for University. This is it. I can finally pursue my dreams.
That's great, Crisanto, but what about me? What about us? Your dreams? What about my dreams? You're leaving! You're leaving me!
Wait, Mutya! Come back!
Mr. Santiago, come to my office.
Pa! Nasaan ka ba? Hinahanap ko yung hair clip na binigay ni Mama.
Mutya, what are you doing here? Do not read that letter, Mutya!
Bakit? Takot ka? Takot kang malaman ko totoo?
Ayusin mong pananalita mo!
No! Dapat malaman ko totoo!
Huwag mong gagawin mas masakit pa ang sakit, Mutya! Walang ibig sabihin ang lahat ng ito kung masira na tayo dahil sa iyo na yan!
Bakit mo ipinili itago sa akin? Anak mo ko, dapat nagkakaintindihan tayo! Mahirap pa yan!
And what? Kapag hindi ko ginawa ito, will anything change? Nakita mo siguro sa liham ng iyong ina, ang lahat ng gusto niya ay nakabubuti sa'yo!
No! Tinago niyo yun sa akin! Tinago niyo ni Tito yung plano niyo! Pa! Hirap na ako!
Hindi! Hindi pwede! Kailangan mo itapusin ang iyong pag-aaral!
Hey, Han, tara na. Kailangan na natin bisitahin ng mga magulang ko.
Hey, babe! Tara na. Malilate na tayo sa dinner anniversary natin.